Bago po tayo tumungo sa redox reactions, napakahalaga muna po na maintindihan natin kung ano ba talaga ang oxidation states. So nandito po ang definition ng oxidation state ayon sa Oxford Dictionary. Oxidation state is a number assigned to an element in chemical combination which represents the number of electrons lost by an atom of that element in the compound. So for example po, dito sa ating mga nakalistang reaction sa baba, iron, solid, forming iron 2+, releasing 2 electrons. So ito po, dito nakalagay ang oxidation state ng iron after it loses 2 electrons is +2. So that also means na ang oxidation state po ng starting material or iron solid is 0. So pakitandaan po natin yan. Ang isa pong alternative definition naman po ng oxidation state is, it is the number assigned to an element in chemical combination which represents the number of electrons gained during the reaction. So dito po sa example natin sa baba, copper 2+, gaining 2 electrons forming copper 0 or copper solid. So ito po yung example naman ng oxidation state changing from a higher number to a lower number. So during chemical reactions po, the oxidation states of the atoms or of the elements present in a chemical species may change. So posible po siya mag-lose ng electrons resulting in an increase in oxidation state. Pwede din po siyang mag-gain ng electron resulting in a decrease in oxidation state. So yun po ang ating definition ng oxidation state.